Do you know how to measure inflammation? How much inflammation do you have in your body, I wonder? One simple way is to notice how you feel. Wherever there's pain, there's inflammation. Pain occurs because the body's breaking down old tissue, trying to repair that tissue. When it cannot successfully repair it, that inflammatory response can go on for a long period of time, and you'll have chronic pain. The other way is a simple test that everyone should get. It's called C-reactive protein. C-reactive protein is a protein that shows up when the body is undergoing this unmet need for repair, when there's inflammation in the body. You see it higher where there's heart disease. You see it where there's higher where there's diabetes. You see it higher when people take estrogen therapy because that causes oxidative damage. C-reactive protein really tells us if we have enough antioxidants. It's a simple medical test. You want to get the high sensitivity C-reactive protein because you want sensitivity to see the very low end. You want to have almost no C-reactive protein. Ideally, the high sensitivity should be 0.5 or below that. You can predict heart disease 10 years in advance with C-reactive protein. Get the test. It helps us see if you have inflammation in the body, inflammation that affects everything from bone to your immune competence. Two simple ways. What are the two ways to detect inflammation? Where there's pain, there's inflammation. Get the inexpensive test for C-reactive protein. Talk later.